Uptown Swing.
Matt,
Bryce.
level 1.
6 count.
Mm.
You guys did great today. We started off by learning that 6 count footwork just by doing our little pattern without the triples. And that looked like quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Followers are starting on your right, leads on your left. Then we had our scoots. We went to the right first. We went scoot, a scoot, a scoot, a scoot, then the other way. Scoot, a scoot, a scoot, a scoot. Then we isolated those scoots and we took one triple step out of that. So one scoot is a triple step. Other way, a triple step. Then we replaced the slows in that pattern with those triples. So it looked like 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, triple, triple. Rock, step, triple, triple. From the back. Rock, step, triple, triple. Rock, step, triple, triple. Do that a million times before next week and you will have such an easy time. Other than that, we did partnering enclosed, where we did that same mirrored footwork. It looked like this. Leads when you want to go to open, you
just leave.
float away. We have our open position here.
I can come back whenever I want.
Then we did our tuck turn and our change places with our super nice open and tuck. We have open, tuck, triple step, rock step, triple, triple. Change places there. The last thing we did was the cuddle.
Aye.
Rock step, triple step, open, tuck, triple step. That was a ton of stuff. We'll review it next week and learn some more. Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye.